Recording. Okay. So today we will start the another pillar of the OOPS, that is the polymorphism. This is the easy concept only. Okay. Polymorphism. If we see the polymorphism, inside the polymorphism name only we have a two words. Okay. Words, or we can say that it have a three words. Poly, morph, and ISM. ISM means mechanism, morph means forms, and poly means many. Okay, poly means many, then morph means form, ISM means mechanism. It is a mechanism in which single action can be performed in the different ways. Okay, single action can be can we can perform inside the in the different ways, that only known as the polymorphism. Poly means many and morph means form. Okay, morph means forms. So poly means many and morph means forms. So we can say that polymorphism means many forms. Okay, we can say that polymorphism means many forms. Single action in different ways, that is only known as the polymorphism, and it is a mechanism, or we can say that it is a process. Okay. After that, if we take the real life example, I told you, like whenever we learn the any pillar of the OOPS, that we will take the example of the real life. Okay. I told you every pillars of the OOPS is depend on the real life. So polymorphism is also depend on the real life. We take the real life example. Okay. So man can be a father. Man can be a son also. Man can be a doctor also. Single action can be performed in the different ways. Okay. We are performing single action in a different ways. Means a man can be a father. Okay. It is performing role of the father. A man can be a son. A man can be a teacher also. Right? That is the only meaning of the polymorphism. Single action can be performed in the different ways. That is also called as the polymorphism. In the different situation, we can say that that is only the meaning of the polymorphism. Okay, and if you talk about the types of polymorphism, polymorphism have the two types. There is the compile time polymorphism as well as the runtime polymorphism. Okay, polymorphism have the two types: compile time polymorphism and the runtime polymorphism. So how we will achieve the compile time polymorphism? Compile time polymorphism is achieved with the help of method overloading. Okay, with the help of method overloading, we can achieve the compile time polymorphism. Okay, and with the help of method overriding, we can achieve the runtime polymorphism. Okay, remember this thing. Polymorphism have the two types. There is the compile time polymorphism and the runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism we can achieve with the help of method overloading. Compile time polymorphism we can achieve with the help of method overloading, and runtime polymorphism can be achieved with the help of method overriding. What is meant by method overloading and what is meant by method overriding? So we will move to the clips. Okay, what is meant by method overriding? Overloading. First we will see method. Sorry, method overloading. Okay, method overloading. It is a easy concept only. So if you want to achieve the method overloading, how to write the method? How to achieve the method overloading? So simple. First you have to declare the multiple function. Sorry, okay. Simply you have to declare the multiple functions, or we can say that that is a methods. You have to declare the multiple functions or the methods, or we can say that it is a behavior function and methods. These all are same only. Okay, so you have to declare the multiple functions, and you have to give same name to the all the functions or all the methods. Okay, you have to give same name to the all the functions or all the methods. After that, but parameter, 1 minute distract. Okay, but the parameter must be different. Parameter parameter we have to make the different parameter. After that, where we have to declare into the single class. Okay, we have to declare into the single class, or we can say that it is the same class. Okay, means what is meant by method overloading? We have declare multiple function in the same class but the different parameter. Okay, no, not like that. We have to declare the multiple function with the same name, same class, but the different parameter. That is only called as the method overloading. What is meant by method overloading? Means same multiple function, same name, same class, but the different parameter. We will try to declare that. After that, you will be easily understand. So simply, what we need to do, we have to declare within the same class. We have a class. This class we have no, the public class test. Inside that, what we need to do, we have to declare the multiple functions, or we can say that multiple methods we have to declare. Simply, I will declare a method public void m1. Okay. After that, how many methods we have to declare? The multiple methods, right? So I will declare multiple method public void m1. But what we need to do, we have to declare the different parameter, and where we need to write a parameter inside this one, inside this parameter, and this we have to write the parameter. No, so I will write here one parameter. Now this have zero parameter, this have one parameter. I will declare the another method also, public void m1, and here I am declaring string a comma int int b will write. Okay, simple like that. I have declared the three methods here, the same name but different parameter. What I did here, I have declared the multiple functions here with the same name. See, m1, m1, and this one also m1. Okay, I have declared within a one class only. Means in the same class I have declared the multiple function. Inside the same class, inside this class only, I have declared the multiple functions. But what I did, I have declared the parameter as a different. This have one parameter, this have parameter, this have, sorry, these have zero parameter, these have one parameter, and these have the two parameter. Okay, we will write something here. System.out I am writing here. Here I am writing one. After that, here I am writing system.out, and here I am writing two, and same like that. System.out I am writing here, and here I am writing three. Okay, one, two, three. Now, if I want to call this one, we will call that. Simply, we have to create a main method here, right? And inside the main method, we have to create an object, and with the help of object, we can easily call that method, right? Same like a basics. Inside in the basics also, we learn this thing. No, same like this one, we have to declare test obj equals new test. Okay, now object is created. With the help of object, we have to call one by one. If I want to call, if I call like that m1, and have declared some value here, it is 10. Then I have declared. So what will be the output now? What will be the output we get? Okay. Okay. So what we will get is the 2, right? If we run this one, so what we will get? That is the 2. Okay, 2, 2. If I run this one, 2 we will get on the console. 2 we will get on the console. So how? So we will come into the main method, right? We will come into the main method. After that, here we have created the object. So it will be create an object. It will see obj.m1. Which type of on which class this object is created? That is a test class object we have created. Right? We are calling the m1 method. So it will be see the m1 method into the test class. Okay, which having one integer parameter. It will become here. It will be see where is the m1 method. This is the m1 method, but it having the one integer parameter. No, it will become down. It will be see again. This is the m1 method which having one integer parameter. Yes, this is the method which having one integer parameter. It will become here. It will be print on the console. Okay, it will be print on the console. Now similarly, object dot m1 I am writing simply. Now what will be the output we will get? How much output and what will be the output we will get? 1. Okay, 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay, if I run this one, so 2 and 1 will be print on the console. Same like now third one, system.out we have, sorry, not system.log, object.m1 we have to write. Here we have to pass one string parameter, string argument. So I am writing here Java, and here comma I am writing one integer. Okay, if I run this one now, can what will be the output? It will be, what will be the output we will get this time? 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3. Okay, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and 3 we will get. So if I run this one, simple 2, 1, 3 we are getting here. So what we are doing, we are performing single action. Which action we are performing? That is m1, m1, and here also m1. We are performing single action. That is the same action we are performing, but in the different ways. For this one, this m1 is don't have any parameter. For this one, this m1 having one parameter. And for this one, this m1 having the two parameter. Suppose this is the sun, m1 having m1 performing the sun role here. M1 performing the teacher role here, and here M1 performing the other role here. Means what we are doing, we are performing single action in the different ways. That is only called as the polymorphism. And which type of polymorphism we achieved now? That is the compile time polymorphism. With the help of method overloading, we can achieve the compile time polymorphism. And if you want to achieve the method overloading, how we have to achieve that? See, simple. We have to declare the multiple functions, or we can say that multiple methods we have to declare with the same name within a same class we have to declare, but we have to declare the different parameter. Okay, if anybody will ask you what is meant by method overloading means multiple functions in the same class with the same name but the different parameter. That is only called as the method overloading. Okay, and which type of polymorphism we will achieve with the help of method overloading? That is the compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism you can achieve with the help of method overloading. Okay, you can make the different parameter like that. Int a you can write here, string a, int b. You can make it different by any other way. Like if you write here string a also, that is also okay. Suppose here we have a string a and int b. Okay, here we have a string a and b. If you want to differentiate that one, so you can write here int a comma string b also. You can differentiate in any way, but you have to declare the different parameter. Okay, you have just to declare the parameter different. Okay, so that is meant by method overloading. Anyone have any doubt till here? Anyone have any doubt inside the method overloading? Anyone have any doubt? Only one person is saying no. Anyone have any doubt till here? Yes or no? Okay, no, no. Okay. So see, method overloading is just a simple. What we need to do, we have to declare the multiple methods. Like before also we have declared the multiple methods, right? Here also we have to declare the multiple methods like 1, 2, 3. You can declare 4, 5 also. No worries. Okay. After that you have to give the same name to that method. Okay. Same name you have to give to all the methods. It means if you are declaring the number of methods also, so you have to declare the same name to the all the methods. Here I am declaring three methods, so I am giving a same name to all the three methods. M1, M1. Here also M1. Okay. After that, what we need to do? Simply we have to declare the different parameter. I am declaring here 2, then 1, then here I am declaring 2. You can declare like that 0 or 1 or 2 like that. Okay. After that, you have to declare the all the methods in the same class only. So here inside the same class, I have declared the all the methods. After that, simply you have to call this methods. Okay, you have to call this method with the help of object. Okay, with the help of this object, you have to call this method. What we are doing single action in different ways. That is also called as the polymorphism. Okay, that is only called as the polymorphism. Single action means which action? That is the M1. Here also M1. Here also M1. What we are doing? We are performing single action in a different ways. That is only called as the polymorphism. And which type of polymorphism we achieve? Is the compile time polymorphism we achieve with the help of method overloading. And what is meant by method overloading? Method overloading means we have to declare multiple function with the same name within a same class but different parameter. That is called as the method overloading. Now we will move to the another part, that is the method overriding. Okay, what is meant by method overriding? Method overriding is also easy only. What we need to do here inside the method overriding, here we have to declare the multiple functions or the multiple methods, or you can declare one also, no worries. Okay, after that we have to give the same name also. Okay, you have to declare the parameter as a same here. Okay, what we are learning here, that is the method overriding. Okay, we have to declare multiple functions, multiple, or we can say that multiple methods. Same name we have to give, same parameter we have to give. But what we need to do, we have to declare within, we have to declare in the different class. Okay, we have to declare that into the different class. So how we will achieve the method overriding? Simply will come here and I will remove this all the things from here. Remove this. Okay, from here I will remove this all the things. Now what I'm doing, we wanted two class, right? Because we have to declare into the different class. I wanted two class, so simply I will write here class demo. Okay, demo I will write here. And what we need to do, we have to declare the method. See, we have what we need to do. If you want to achieve the method overriding or method overloading, simply you have to declare the method. I will declare a method here, the public, then void m1. Simple, this time also I'm declaring the m1 method. Okay, inside that what I'm doing, system dot out. Here I'm writing one. Okay, after that what we need to do, we have to declare the methods. But what we need to do, we have to declare into the different class. We have to declare into the different class. So in this class also I will declare the method. But what method we have to declare, we have to declare the same name method, and we have to declare the same parameter also. Here if I am not giving any parameter, here also I don't have to create any parameter. Okay, you don't have to create any parameter here. And here I'm writing system.out, and here I'm writing, okay, here I'm writing. Now what is the other thing, can be achieved now the method overriding, because we have declared the functions, right? We have declared the function here, and we have given the same name also, and we have given the same parameter also here. Here also 0, so here also 0. If I give here int a, so here also we have to give the one parameter, that is the int a. Same parameter you have to give. Okay, if you are declaring here 2 or 3 parameter also, so you have to declare here also 2 or 3 parameter. Okay, okay, we have to make the parameter same, and we have to declare into the different class. So here also we have declared into the different class. So can we achieve here the method already? So no. So what we need to do, we have to, there must be a inheritance between the two classes. There must be a inheritance between the two classes. That time only we will achieve the method overriding. So I will write here inheritance. So how we will achieve the inheritance? How we will inherit this class into this class? Simple, we have to write here extend the demo. Now we have achieved successfully the method overriding. What is meant by method overriding? We have to declare the multiple functions with the same name, with the same parameter, but we have to declare into the different class, and in between two classes there must be a inheritance. That is only meaning of the method overriding. Now if I want to run this one, how I will run? Simply I will write here main. Okay, simply we have to write a main, and inside the main method we have to create an object. Which class object we will create? That is the test class. Inside the test class, how much methods are present now? How much methods are present inside the test class? Yesterday we learned, no? How many methods are present inside this class? Two, right? Two. Okay, so if I come here, and if I create an object, that is demo object, I will create, sorry, demo, no, this object we will create test object equals to new test. Okay, and with the help of this object we will simply call the m1 method. So what will be the output we will get now? What will be the output we will get now? See, what will be the output we will get now? 1 or 2? 1 2. Okay, 2 2. Okay, anyone have any other answer, like 1 will be print only, or anyone have any other answer? 2. Okay, 2. So if I run this one now, many people are guessed perfectly. So 2 will be print on the console. Why? Here we have two methods, right? When we inherit this one, so whatever which are present here, that will become into here. So what we are doing here, just we are overriding the method, right? What we are doing, we are overriding the method. So if we call this one, what will we do? We will call this method first. Okay, that is the void m1 method, which having one integer parameter. So it will be called this once. After that it will be see again this one, this method also we have, okay, we have this method also. What it will be do, it will override this method on this method. Okay, it will be override this method on this method. That is only called as the method overriding. Means this m1 method will override on this m1 method. Means we can say that first it will be print one, but on that one it will be override Okay, on that one it will be override this two. That's why we are getting here the two result. Okay, that's why we are getting the two result. That is only meaning of the method overriding. That is the only meaning of the method overriding. What is meant by method overriding? Method overriding means we have to declare the multiple functions within a multiple functions. We have to give the same name, same parameter, but in the different class we have to declare, and in between the two classes there must be a inheritance. Okay, if you want to achieve the inheritance, there must be inheritance between the two classes. If you do these steps, you have successfully achieved the multiple. You have successfully achieved the method overriding. Okay, you have successfully achieved the method overriding. What I did here, simply I have created a two classes here, that is demo class and test class. Inside the demo class I have created one method, that is the m1 method. Now if I want to override this method into the test class, so how we will override that? First we need to extend the demo. After that I have to write the same method. I have to declare the same method here with the same name and the same parameter. I have declared here public void m1 int a, public void m1 int a. No worries, like it is not compulsory to declare the same variable also. You can declare a different variable also here. No worries. Okay. After that, here I am writing one. Here I am writing two. When I call the object.em1 with the help of this class object, if I call this one, so what it will do? It will be called firstly this m1 method. That is the demo class. M1 it will be called, but after that it will be see inside the child class we have a m1 method again. What it will do? It will be override this m1 method on the parent class m1 method. That's why we are seeing here 2 on the console. Okay. Now if I want to call this m1 method, how we will call that? Simply we have to create an object of the demo class. Okay. Here with the help of demo class object, we can simply call the m1 method right here. It. Now what will be the output we will get? What will be the output we will get now? 2 and 1, 21, 21, not 21, 2 and 1 we will get. Okay. If I run this one here, 2 and 1 will be print on the console. Okay, so that is the meaning of the method overloading and the method overriding. Inside the polymorphism, what we learn? Polymorphism means single action in the different ways. Okay, polymorphism means single action in the different ways. That is only known as the polymorphism. Okay, if we take the real life example, a man can be a son, a man can be a father, or a man can be a teacher, a man can be a doctor also. If you want to means polymorphism have the two types, that is compile time polymorphism as well as the runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism we can achieve with the help of method overloading, and runtime polymorphism we can achieve with the help of method overriding. Okay, after that method overloading means what? Method overloading means simple. What we need to do, we have to declare the multiple functions with the same name, with the same class, but the different parameter we have to declare. Okay, so that is meaning of the method overloading. And what is meant by method overriding? Method overriding means we have to declare the multiple functions, or you can declare the same one function also. Okay, you have to declare the function with the same name, same parameter, but into the different class. That is only meaning of the, and in between the two classes there must be an inheritance. That is the only meaning of the method overriding. And why we are using the method overloading? Even why we are using the method overloading? You can speak also, no worries. Why we are using the method overloading? I told you before. What is the why we are using method overloading? To achieve the compile time polymorphism. Simple, no? Why we are using method overloading? To achieve the compile time polymorphism. And why we are using the method overriding? To achieve the runtime polymorphism. See here, compile time polymorphism we can achieve with the help of method overloading, and runtime polymorphism we can achieve with the help of method overriding. So if anybody will ask you what is the use of the method overloading, method overloading we can use to achieve the compile time polymorphism, and method overriding we can use to achieve the runtime polymorphism. So that is the meaning of the polymorphism. So polymorphism have two types, compile time and the runtime. And compile time polymorphism we can achieve with the help of method overloading. Runtime polymorphism we can achieve with the help of method overriding. Anyone have any doubt here? Anyone have any doubt here? Anyone have? Tell me. I will tell. I will. I will tell you again. No worries. No. Only Prithviraj is saying no. Okay. No. Other people have any doubt? Okay, Vinith is also saying no. Okay. So what we will do now? We will learn the another concept, that is small concept we will learn only, that is the final keyword. So what is meant by final keyword? So final keyword in Java is used to restrict the user. It will be restrict the user. Okay. So why means which we will use the final keyword. So we can use final keyword with the variable, with the method, and with the class also. Okay. It is easy only. So final keyword we can use with the help of variable, with the method, and with the class also. Now, simply we will start with the class. Sorry, we will start with the variable. Simply we will come here, okay, and here I will remove this one, and I will remove this one also. This one, okay, and here I am declaring one variable here, int a equals to, okay. So if you know that we have inside the mathematics or inside the physics also we have we know that, so we have some constant values like value of pi, that is the 3.14. We can't change that, right? We can't change that. So radius of the earth, the constant values we can't change. So for that simply we are using the final values. Suppose we have a value here 10. Okay, what is the value of a here? That is the 10. Now what we will do, simply will come into the main method, and here I will declare this one into the main method only. That will be easy for us. And here I will write like that. Okay, now here if I print system.out, here I am printing the a. So what will be the value we will get? What will be the output we will get now? That is very easy, no? Right? If I run this one, 10 will be print on the console. Now another thing. If I write like that, a equals to a plus 10. And here I am printing again system.out. Now what will be the value we will get? 11, not 11 I think, 20 and 20, 10 and 20. Right. If I run this one, 10 and 20 will be print on the console. Means my value of variable is changing now. Right. The value of variable is changing. First, what is the value of a here? That is the 10. Right. What is the value of a here? That is 10. After that, it is changing from here. A equals to a plus 10. What is the value of a here? 10 plus 10. 20 is storing into this a. What is the value of a now? That is the 20. My value of a is changing now. I don't want to change the value of the variable of my variable. That can simply we will use here final keyword. If I use final keyword here, nobody can change the value of the variable. No one can able to change the value of the variable. Now see, if you are, what is the value of a here? That is 10. Suppose anyone want to change the value, it will be give the error. It will be give the error here. So what will be the error? It will be give. So see, remove final modifier of the a. Okay, remove the final modifier of the a. If I remove this one again, what it will do? The error will be gone. Okay, if you use final keyword, so what it will do? We cannot able to change the value of the variable. If you are using final keyword with the variable, so we cannot able to change the value of that variable. Where when we will use this final keyword with the variable, if you have some constant values like value of pi, radius of the earth, like that, no, that simply we are using the final keyword. And final keyword we are using with the variable, so no one can change the value of our variable. That is the first use of our final keyword. After that, method. Okay, after that method. Now we will declare the methods here. Simply I will remove these things and I will declare the method this time. I will write here public void number. Okay, here I am writing system.out. Here I am writing one. Same method I will declare here also as the public, sorry, not public, class demo. Same example we will do now. Okay, here also I'm writing public void m1. Okay, system.out I will write. Okay. Here I'm writing, sorry, here I'm writing 2. Now if I want to override this method here, simply we have to use here extends, right? Extend demo, extends demo we have to write. So we have overridden this m1 method into the test class. we have achieved method overriding. So see here, same method which having the same parameter but into the different class. That is only meaning of the method overriding. In between the two classes we have inheritance also. That is only meaning of the overriding. So this method now is overridden into the test class, right? This method is overridden into the test class now. Now I don't want anyone to override this method. So what we will do? Simply we will use here the final keyword. If I use final keyword here, no one can override my method. Okay, no one can override my method. Suppose I don't like this one, I don't use this final keyword. So what it will be do? We can easily override our method. But if I write here the final keyword, so no one can override our method. Okay, if we don't want to override your method, so that you can simply use the final keyword. Okay, if you use final keyword with the method, we cannot able to override that method. No one can able to override that method. Okay, so this is the another use of our final keyword. Final keyword, if you use final keyword with the method, so we cannot override it. We cannot override it. We cannot able to override that method. Okay, after that last is a class. Variable we have completed, method we have completed, and the class. If you use final keyword with variable means we cannot able to change the value of the variable. If we use final keyword with the method, what we will do? We cannot override that method. Now same with the class. Suppose we have a two classes here. There's the demo class and the test class. I will remove this method now. Method is done. Method is done here. Now suppose we have two classes. There is a demo class and the test class. Okay, and what we are doing? We are inheriting the demo class into the test class. What we are doing simple here? We are inheriting the demo class into the test class. Now I don't want to inherit. I don't want anyone to inherit the demo class. So what we will do? Simply we will use here final keyword. If I use final keyword with the class, so no one can inherit this class. Okay. If you use final keyword with the class, so no one can inherit that. Okay. Inherit class, that is the only meaning of our final. Okay, so final keyword can restrict the user. We can use it with the help of we can use with the variable, with the method, and with the class also. Okay, with the variable we can use. If we use with the variables, we cannot able to change the value of the variable. It will be constant. We can use with the value of pi if you want to write the value of pi, or if you want to write the radius of the earth. That is simply we will use the final keyword with the variable. After that methods, if we use final keyword with the method, so we cannot able to override that method. Okay, we cannot able to override it. After that, if we use final keyword with the class, we cannot able to inherit that class, or we cannot extend that class. So here see, if you are writing final keyword with this class demo, it will be give you the error. Like we cannot, it will be say like that, remove the final modifier from demo. If I remove this one, so you can easily modify that. You can easily inherit that. Okay, so that is the meaning of final keyword. Final keyword is used to restrict the user, and we can use with the three things: variable, method, and the class. Today we learn about what is polymorphism and what is final keyword. Anyone have any doubt till here? If anyone have any doubt, please tell me. I will tell you again. No worries. Okay, Prithviraj is saying no, no. Okay. Yes, 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 Shreya. Yes. If you want to, we can use with the constant variable, right? Methods means sometimes we have a means methods like some methods we will declare like that you don't want to extend that means no one want to override that method. Okay, so that time simply we'll use the methods. Final keyword with the method. Sometimes we will declare the method like uh, method means like confidential methods, like we don't want to override that method. No one can override the method. That simply will use the methods. And sometimes we have some classes which we don't want to extend by someone. That time simply we will use final with the classes. Okay. Hello. Okay. Okay. Anyone have any another doubt? Okay. Yes, yes, it will be overload, but it cannot be override. Yes. No, it will be not overloaded. If you change the return type, no, so that I think it will be not overloaded. Okay, all must be same. That time only it will be overloaded. Okay, okay. Anyone have any other doubt? Anyone have any other doubt? Okay. So today we learn about the polymorphism. Inside the polymorphism, we have two types only. That is the runtime polymorphism and the compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism we can achieve with the help of method overloading, and runtime polymorphism we can achieve runtime polymorphism we can achieve with the help of method overriding. Right. After that, we learn the final keyword. Final keyword is used to restrict the user. You can use it with the variable, methods, and the class. And variable, if you use with the variables, we cannot able to change the value of that variable. If we use with the method, we cannot able to change the, we cannot able to override it, right? After that, if we use with the class, we cannot inherit it or we cannot extend it. So that is the use of the final keyword. And today's assignment is that you have to create program on the method overloading, method overriding, and you have to create a program for the final keyword also, the uses of the final keyword, and you have to submit on the group. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. If you have any doubt, you can ping me or you can ping in the group. It will definitely help you. Okay. And if you want to recall again, you can see the video again on the YouTube. We are uploading every day on the YouTube. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for your time. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye.